So hello everyone. No, I haven't made a video in a little bit here. I've been a little busy. We had a flood in our garage. My room is in the garage. And unfortunately, it was at 4 a.m. And about a foot into my room, the carpet soaked up and got soppy wet. So I've had to move everything, clean everything, tear that carpet and padding out, clean that up. I'm still trying to get reorganized. It's just a job because in a 10 by 12 room you don't have a lot of places to move things to that are out of the way. I moved from a 3-bedroom house to a 10 by 12 room 4 years ago. And it's fine, but things need to be better organized, and I'm working on that. Anyway, that's not what this video is about. That was just by way of saying why you haven't seen me put out a video. Yesterday, well, the evening before, I was having one of those, I really think I need to go to Goodwill. I really think I need to go to Goodwill. I really think I need to go to Goodwill. The last time I got one of those feelings, I found a stack of wonderful, beautiful icons. And some of you may not know, but I am an Orthodox Christian, and so icons they're just very special. And I found a stack of them and got them all for $12. They should have been a lot more, but they didn't charge me that. I don't know why. It was their choice what they wanted to charge. Anyway, yesterday I went to Goodwill because I had another one of those feelings. Didn't know what I was supposed to find, but let me show you what I did find, and I'm so thrilled. I got this partial scrapbook paper, which is all, they look like chalkboard, but they're not chalkboard, they're just paper. And it's not full, but there's at least half of what was originally in it. And I'm thrilled with it. I've been wanting something with black background. So, and I'm not willing to spend a whole lot of money. I actually paid more for this than I normally would have. This was $1.99. But it was all they had that was scrapbook paper. They really didn't have much of anything else there. They went through a clean out about 6 months ago, and they are still getting stocked back up, in my opinion. So that was the first major find. Then, when I went to Walmart the other day, and I was looking at organizational things, and I did buy one 3-drawer unit, plastic unit, that was $10.97. Okay, that works well. I've got it set up. It's working well for me for storing my shipping supplies and some other stuff. But I also looked at some of these. These are magazine holders. Good hard plastic. And I looked at these because I have some soft cover books. They're the adult coloring books that I'm going to be using for some of my journal making and stuff. And I needed something to store them in where they weren't just piled or falling over. And these were rather pricey, I felt like, at Walmart. So yesterday, don't ask me how they price these things. I got this one for 99 cents and this one for 69 cents. They had 2 others, but I thought 2 was enough and I didn't need to spend any more money. So I was thrilled to get these. That will make life so much more easy as far as being organized and things not falling over. The other thing that I've been looking for are the small 3-drawer units, not the little tiny ones, but the ones that will hold a sheet of paper in the drawer. That's the size I wanted. Well, they are $10.97 a piece at Walmart. No, I have 4 of them 4. I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. I have 4 of them, and they are full. But they are keeping me organized and things not so cluttered. I know I didn't pay more than $3 for them at probably Big Lots. Of course, now that was about 5-6 years ago. But I've been wanting 2 more. Well, yesterday I found 2 more. Let's see. See if I can brighten this up. Oh, there we go. I found 2 more. Yes, I need to clean them up and take their labels off. These were $2.99 a piece. Works for me. I can handle $2.99. So I have the 2 now that I wanted. I just need to clean them up and organize them.
And I also found something else that I've really been wanting. And at Walmart, they're $19.99. And I just can't cough up that much all at once for one item. And that is a paper cutter. Now this is the one that I have currently. And it's the old time chop kind, but I can only cut small things on it. It's only like 8.5 inches wide. You can't put anything any longer or wider in it. So it works, but a lot of times I end up just using a pair of scissors. Drawing a line using a pair of scissors. So let me show you what I got at Goodwill. I was so thrilled when I saw this. I'm like, oh my God, I think my heart stopped. I was so happy. This is a Pro Edge, or Edge Pro it's called. And yeah, it needed some cleanup. It had some gooey stuff on the sliding bar. But it's got both the cutter and the scorer on it. And it works. I've used it a couple of times already, and the side pops out to give you more length, and it's got the measurement and everything on it. And I am just absolutely over the moon with this. This makes life so much easier when you're dealing with larger sheets of paper, larger images out of a big magazine or something. Just depending on what you're doing, this makes life so much easier. And this baby was $3.99. Now that's a huge difference from $3.99 all the way up to $20 at Walmart.
Just because it was $1.99. That's not why I got it. This is a handmade mohair baby blanket, or it's the size of a baby blanket, with pretty fringe on it. And I don't know if this is crochet. I think it's crochet rather than knit, but I'm not sure. It's in perfect condition. It's not messed up. There's no holes. There's no moth-eaten stuff. But it's so soft and so light. And if I fold it corner to corner to make a triangle, it's the perfect size for a shawl. And in the mornings, my shoulders are cold when I get up. So this is going to be wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. I'm thrilled with this. For $1.99, I mean, you can't find anything for $1.99 like this nice. I don't know why somebody wanted to get rid of it, but I'm glad they did. The only other thing that I got of any note was I bought 2 bags of silverware. Not that I need silverware, but I sell stuff on eBay. What caught my eye when usually I pass these by, and you'll see little sticky notes here because I've been looking them up. I've got various and sundry spoons, the 1 fork, spoons, knives, some in better shape than others. Here's a whole pile of these that are all the same pattern. I look up what patterns they are. I will be cleaning. Some of these are not too bad, but some of them are really grody. But I will be cleaning all of these and listing these on eBay for sale. I paid $1.99 for each bag, so just under
And what
$4
I found
for
out
2
was
bags
that
of
one
silverware.
of the spoon patterns, there's 3 of them. These are all silver plated, and these are a hotel silver plate. Not the one I'm looking at there, but the one right smack in the middle. There's 3 little teaspoons, and they are worth about $15 a piece. So there's my Goodwill haul. Thanks for visiting, and please stop by and see me again next time.